I just got back from work and today I got a package. And this is from our good friends from EKO Health. And today we are going to do the unboxing. So together we're going to see what's inside this package. Let's do it. So if you're going to do unboxing, you need this, okay? I really like how they do unboxing and it just like gives different sounds like, oh, let's open it. Oh, wow, look at that. Beautiful. See, that's beautiful. And look at this packaging. That is very well packaged. This is very fancy packaging. So I got the EKO Core 500 digital stethoscope and it comes with 2 boxes. And yeah, let's unpack it. Oh, they pack it really good. I actually don't want to open it now. It's beautiful. Okay, let's put that aside. Here. Here. I got it! Look at this one. Let's take the plastic out. And here, let's take this plastic out too. Wow. Here we go. Wow. Beautiful. And the other one. Look at this one. This is the Core 500. Look. I don't know if it's, but look at that. Beautiful. Nice. See? And voila. There you go. Very, very nice. It has the quick start guide. This is where the Core 500. Oh, fancy. It even has its own alcohol wipes. And what else? Yeah, it is a digital stethoscope, so it comes with a charger, USB charger. That's very fancy. And the big box, let's see. It has the extra one, and look at that. I think to connect, you're just going to get this and see right here. This is going to charge the Core 500 and insert this one. Oh, nice. There you go. And it's locked. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, huh? Very nice. So you should check out ekohealth.com. Get one for yourself and thank me later. And it really pays to invest in the right stethoscope. Look at that. Beautiful. Go get one for yourself. Now, now, now.